What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another short video giving y'all an update on the 2012 Dodge Charger Demon build. This where we at. Like I said, I was using factory everything, so as you can see, those are 2020 Dodge Charger splash shields. So if you want to know, there's the part number right there. But you can see it, how we got it hanging off here. Gotta do a little more trimming. Gotta trim here. Cut some of this off that way. So when I reattach the bumper, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna take off all of it, but we're just gonna take off enough that way where it sit flush up in there. But you gotta cut off some of this quarter panel, like I said. So we're gonna trim this down. We're just gonna trim right there. That way it'll sit flush up in there, because you can see it. Yeah, y'all see it. It's flush. You know what I'm saying? So I told y'all we was doing this shit, and we was gonna do it factory all the way around with a little bit of modification. But y'all see it, man. First and ever one. You hear me? Body line match up like a motherfucker. You hear me? I'm geeked out myself. But yeah, man, I just wanted to get y'all updated where we was at. I got that rear fender flare already. It's ready to get mounted on, glue, however I'm gonna put it on there. And then I'm gonna finish it up, hit it with the Bondo and body filler. Just get this motherfucker going. But that's what I plan to have finished this week. So got this side done, like I said, drill my holes. I still use these clips, so I will have to show y'all when I pull it off, but it is clipped in there. It ain't all the way in there, but you can see my blue clips. Still got to push it all the way in. This side in flush with the blue clips. You know what I'm saying? We could get this to go all the way in, but I ain't want to push it all the way in, then it's hard to get it all the way off. But yeah, man, y'all see it. First 2012 Dodge Charger Demon build coming with the wide body kit, factory. Like I said, nothing out the market, man. Nothing out the market. So we're gonna get the back finished tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna do this whole front end. And then, like I said, once we do the whole front end, then we can start molding it to the front bumper. The molding come last, you know what I'm saying? So I just need to get it on there so I know where my line's at, so I can get my splash shields on. So that's what we're working on, getting the splash shields put inside first, so we can get it cut to the right line. Then we can install the flares. But you can see, we got that one in. That one's sitting there perfect. But yeah, man, thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Keep coming out, checking out the videos. Please like and subscribe. But like I said, we're doing the first wide body, factory wide body. So let's keep this shit coming, though. Thank y'all. Please like and subscribe. I got a lot more videos coming. This is just one of many more. Thank you again.